Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and today I'm going to show you the design team project kit that I'm going to be working on for the month of July for Cara Branding Creations. And I chose the digital kit Field and Forest Digital Junk Journal. It's 19 pages, and I printed it on the faux coffee dye paper that I get from Amazon. And in the description box, I will have a discount code for you to get 30% off. So make sure you look at the discount, or make sure you look at my description box to get the discount code to receive 30% off on this digital kit. And I will link Cara's Etsy shop to get this kit. And I will also link her Facebook group to get some Friday freebies. And I will link her her YouTube channel. So here we have some green that is like put on this side, and here we have like some birds and eggs and nests and ferns. This is like the green multimedia here. And I just thought it would look better on this brown. Here we have some backing paper with some butterflies and leaves. Here we have a little chipmunk here and a squirrel here going down the branches with some leaves. And it looks like wood on the back. Some writing here. I thought this is a little cute kit. I've been wanting to do a field and forest kit for a while. Here we have a big tree with a cut of the rings of inside of a tree, and then we have two pine trees here with some lined paper in the background. And here we have another big pine tree with some lines here and a little bit of that pine tree sticking out over here. Here we have a collage page of some ferns, a bird here, lots of eggs here, some writing. Here we have some mushrooms, butterflies, some ferns, a little postcard here, a letter here, and an envelope here. Some stamps. And then here we have some writing in the background with lots of mushrooms. And here we have a wood grain with some multimedia on it. Here we have lots of ferns growing up with some butterflies up here and some mushrooms at the bottom, and then like a flower in the background. Here we have a multimedia page with some leaves here and some mushrooms, bingo cards, some tickets, and just like a little collage here. Here we have a big deer here, a big stag, and this sort of looks like an elk with a fern tree or a pine tree coming through here with some pines and some pine trees coming through here. I love this page here with the big buck and all that. And I just printed it off double, so I'm going to make a large journaling card out of it. Here we have a large envelope. I guess it needs to go this way so you can see it. Large envelope that she has collage with some ferns and birds and eggs and all of that. And two journaling cards with some flowers and tickets. Here we have a fern and some writing and a stamp. Here we have the the wood background envelope with the mixed media on it. And we have 2 journaling cards here with an owl and a pine tree. And we have some leaves here with 2 butterflies. Here we have a postcard, some labels, a ticket, some small ephemera, some butterflies and mushrooms here. And here she has the black words of Forrest, Wonder, Fern, Dream, Journey, Explore, Pinecone, Nature, Pine, Journal, Peaceful, Dream, Field Notes, and Love. So that would be me. I love going out into the forest and hike, or I used to did. I can't really do it anymore. Here are 3 large journaling cards, and it has the faux stitching around it. So we have a little chipmunk here, our big buck here, and some mushrooms here with our butterflies and some ferns here. I love all 3 of these tags. Here we have some belly bands, some small ephemera here, bingo card, and some journaling cards here, and we have some labels. And then we have 3 more large tags with the faux stitching around it. We have a silhouette of a doe with some ferns, and we have mushroom here with like a collage on the back with the birds and letters and eggs here. Here's that background page with the butterflies and leaves, and a butterfly here and some small ephemera here. And then here you have the 6 large tags, and she's made them into smaller tags. So this will be my design team project kit for the month of July. So stick around and watch what I do with this journal. I hope to do some let's makes on this journal, and make sure that you do your happiness this month each and every day. Pass along those smiles for yourself and for others. Thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy my channel. I know I very much appreciate you joining my YouTube channel, because without all of you all, I wouldn't have a channel. And to my current subscribers, the same thing. Without you all, I wouldn't have a channel. I appreciate each and every one of you all. We have some very fun times on my channel, and I hope that I can teach you some things, and I like watching your videos also, so I can learn some things from you too, because even though I've just been doing this a year now, I still like to learn new and different things, because I think there's things to be learned every single day. I always like to be learning and creating and designing, and I always think a person needs to be learning something new every single day. So I hope you all have a happy 4th of July. Go out there, be safe, celebrate our country in the United States. Those of you that are from the U.S. and live in the U.S., celebrate our independence, celebrate our country, honor our veterans, honor our military by giving us the freedom that we have. And I would just like to say thank you to all of our veterans that we have out there that are watching, and thank you to all of our military that we have that are out there watching. I appreciate each and every one of you all every single day with all of my heart, because without you all, we would not be free. We would not be able to do the things that we enjoy. So without you all sacrificing and putting your lives on the line, I would not be sitting here with my freedom. So thank you, each and every one of you veterans and the military. I appreciate you all so very much. So I'm going to get off here and get to work on my design team project, because later on I have another new design team that I will tell you all later on about that I got on. So I have a new design team that I'm on that I'm very excited about for the very first time. I'm going to start her design team this month, and I'm very excited to join it. So I'll tell you about it later on, and I already have her kit picked out. It's already been sent to me. And so remember to pass along those smiles for yourself and for everyone else. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. Be healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.